Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. With summer just around the corner, it's time to talk about something super important, summer skincare. In today's video, I'm going to share some essential tips and hacks to keep your skin glowing and protected all summer long. So grab a pen and paper, because you'll definitely want to take notes on these. First things first, sunscreen. This is your #1 summer skincare essential. I mean, always apply sunscreen with at least SPF 50 before heading out in the sun. And don't forget to reapply, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Now, here's a hack for you. Mix your sunscreen with a bit of your favorite moisturizer. Not only does this make application smoother, but it also helps keep your skin hydrated while providing sun protection. Next up, invest in a chic wide-brimmed hat and oversized sunglasses. To shield your face from harmful UV rays, let's talk about hydration. Drinking plenty of water is key to maintaining healthy, glowing skin in the summer heat. But did you know that certain fruits can also help keep your skin hydrated from the inside out? Incorporate water-rich fruits like watermelon, cucumber, and strawberries into your diet for that extra boost of hydration. Now, onto a fun skincare DIY hack. Create your own soothing face mask using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Mix equal parts of honey, yogurt, and ground flour to create a hydrating and nourishing mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Apply the mask to clean skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. It's a simple yet effective way to pamper your skin after a long day in the sun. And last but not least, let's talk about summer outfits. Use lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen to stay cool and comfortable in the heat. And don't forget to accessorize with statement jewelry and a cute pair of sandals to complete your look. And there you have it, with these summer skincare tips and hacks. You'll be ready to tackle the sunny days ahead while keeping your skin healthy and glowing. And remember, sunscreen is your best friend. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful. Bye.